Okay guys, 2018 Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive. Rebuilt title, damage right here, all been fixed up. This is a premium edition, has the DVD player in it. This is all original up here, nothing was touched. Motor looks really clean. $59,901 on the miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist, navigation, all your different settings. Does have heated seats. There's your Blu-ray for your rear DVD. The smart key here. Park assist. Turn off your power doors. Obviously it has power doors and power tailgate. It does have the big sunroof on it. Automatic windows, mirrors and locks. Oh, let me just show you backup camera. Number. This is a 7-passenger. See, it's got the big old screen back there. See, it has the sunshades here on both front and rear seats. This is where it was damaged. Does have the hitch back here. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.